Hello friends, this is Abhijit from Tech to Date, and this is my S3 Neo, and these are certain apps which I normally use in my Android set. The first app which I basically use is called App Locker. This is an app locker which is basically having a password, and you can lock your different types of apps on that. It is in privacy based. If you want to lock anything, you can lock on the basis of that. You would get option. These are the things which I have been locked. I am locked, so you can see that whenever I go to Facebook, it would ask an password. See, whenever I would go to Facebook, it would ask an password. That is means that it has been locked by the app locker. Now the second app which I normally use is an is is basically Your Story. This is a story. Your Story is an app which is an innovative inspiration of Indianite, and it gives us very different types of entrepreneur stories and news based on the actual demand of the day-to-day basis. It is also a great app, and the learning experience is very high. It tells about the different entrepreneurship stories. It tells about the latest things. Now today is Diwali, so it has been telling that let's how powerful this Diwali is. Social apps, social stories are also there. The third app is which I am using is called Rail Yatri. Now this is an app which is been configured on India, and this is a great app as per me. It would help you to give your PAN number here it at My Trip, and you can also uh, have your wallet if you want to order anything in the train journey or anything. If you want to check your train availability, you can check it, your running status, your PAN number, your seat availability or not. You can book full foods also, special thali of 120 rupees and all. It would give a notification of your actual trip. If you would want to go to your My Trip, they would ask a PAN number, they would ask a PNR number, which you would get the ticket and you can register. My fourth app, which is a very great app, now I would talk, which is a great app, is called Camp Scanner. This is a scanner which is I already use in my day-to-day basis, which is help to scan different types of documents based on their authenticity. It is also very credential, and it is also very good in basis of that. See how detailed it is. I have scanned someone's report, so it is showing the detailed orientation of it. Now let us go to the fifth app. These are some games which I normally play in my day-to-day basis. One is called Hill Climb Running. This is a very great app which is called Candy Saga, which is a very famous game which I normally play in my day-to-day activities whenever I get the free time. Now let us go back